scouring pad, sort of cutting compound, cleaning solution. That's the kit. I'm going to take all this oxidisation off. Really, I've got no idea if it's going to be good enough or not. Anyway, I'll see how it goes. I think that'll sort of do for now. I'll try and get some of this off, and then I'll get a damp cloth to get the dry residue off, and then it should be ready for the clear coat. I can sort of see already, I don't know if it's showing up on the camera or not, but the yellowing is gone. See the top there. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so everything's now taped up. I've got to use this headlight coating, whack that on, and yeah, let's see what kind of results we get out of it. It still looks like there's a little bit there. I don't know, let's see what happens. Well, that's just one little coat, and that's come up instantly. I don't know what it would be like when it dries. But, so I'm pretty happy with that. That has transformed it. And you go from that